To log on to the Instructor Station Mac, press any key on the keyboard to wake it up. Then click on Other. Enter your campus username and password, and then click on the arrow button. It may take a moment for the computer to sign you in. The default setting for the classroom system is to display the Mac screen. However, if the display has been changed, touch the Mac button on the classroom control panel. If you are not seeing anything on the monitor, first check that the computer monitor is on. There will typically be a blue light on the monitor showing that the power is on. If not, press the power button to turn on the monitor. If the monitor is on, but there is still no display or there is an error message showing, the computer tower may have been shut down. The easiest way to check this is to press the caps lock button on the keyboard. If the button does not light up, then the computer is off. Open the cabinet and press the labeled button to turn the computer on. It may take a moment for the computer to start up. When your class is over, do not shut down the computer. Click on the Apple menu and choose Restart, or you can choose to log yourself out. Please note that you should not store any files on the instructor computer, as login profiles are automatically removed. However, you can temporarily move files from a flash drive or your CSUF Dropbox for Business account for the duration of your class. Find a link to information on how to obtain a CSUF Dropbox for Business account in the notes for this video. Also note that you do not have the ability to install apps on the instructor computer. You can contact the IT Help Desk to request that an app be installed, but not all requests can be accommodated. A better solution is to install the app on your laptop and then connect your laptop to the classroom system to display it. View the video on using your laptop with a classroom system for more details.